Hello friends, welcome back to Feasty Sisters. Pickles are relished as a side item in every meal. It goes well with rice, roti, parathas and even with many breakfast dishes. As a matter of fact, for a majority of people, a meal isn't complete without pickles as an accompaniment. Today, let's check out a chatpata mango pickle aka aam ka achar. Make sure you dry your hands completely before starting. Also, wash the raw mangoes and wipe them properly with a dry cloth. Roughly dice 10 to 12 raw mangoes in this way. Start placing these diced pieces in layers in a bottle along with layers of crystal salt. This process turns the raw mangoes tender. I had to use 1 cup of crystal salt here. Close and place this bottle aside for 2 days. Sun dry half cup of Guntur red chillies along with 20 to 25 Byadagi red chillies and 1/4 cup of mustard seeds for 2 to 3 days. After they are sun dried well, grind both the red chillies into a coarse powder. In the same way, prepare a coarse powder of mustard seeds separately. You can prepare these powders priorly and keep it ready beforehand. Take 1/4 cup of crystal salt in a vessel. To this, add 2 cups of water. Allow them to boil well until half in volume and a nice crystalline layer is formed on top. This is done to increase the shelf life of the pickle. Just before we start assembling the pickle, dry your hands well, squeeze and remove the raw mango dices from the bottle. You can see the water let out by the combination of salt and raw mangoes. Spread and place these pieces on a nice clean cloth for about an hour. Meanwhile, let's prepare a masala paste for the pickle. Blend the prepared red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of compounded Asafoetida and mustard seeds powder along with the squeezed out water from the raw mangoes into a smooth paste. During the blending process, you could also add 1-inch piece of crushed turmeric stick, which acts as a natural preservative. To obtain a watery consistency, add in the prepared salt water to the paste and mix well. Finally, drop in the raw mango pieces into it and mix. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a tempering pan. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of compounded Asafoetida and allow it to fry for a minute. Top this on the prepared pickle. This sour, spiced and tasty raw mango pickle is now ready to be served instantly. This pickle can be stored in the refrigerator and used for 6 to 8 months. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.